Here are the 10 things that you need to change right now on your C FullScreen. The first one will be the button. So if I go into cover screen, usually for cover screen it is fine for the button, but when you open in tablet mode, you're gonna find the button will be moved to the right side. So sometimes you want to click here, you cannot. You need to click it right there. For me, I prefer gesture because I can do it anywhere at the bottom. So in order to enable gesture, just go into setting, and then you're gonna click on display. Scroll down a bit, you're gonna find the option called navigation bar. This one you can choose on swipe gesture, which means that I can just swipe to go back. You can see that I can like swipe anywhere on my screen, right here, or I can swipe it on the left side. It also works as well, you can see. And on my cover screen, I can also swipe too. It's pretty convenient. For me, I prefer gesture. This one related to app from the big screen and cover screen. Let me show you what I mean. So from here, you can go into setting, the same thing. Go to display and then scroll down until you find the option called continue app on cover screen. So let's say I enable camera. So now when I open my phone in tablet mode, and now when I open a camera here, and even though I close my device, it still continue on my cover screen, just like that, you can see. So you can enable it on the other app too. So let me go back into setting right there. Let's say if I don't enable on Facebook, so if I go into Facebook right here, when I open in big screen, and when I close it, you can see that it is on my lock screen. It doesn't open Facebook. That's why you need to enable some of the other app in order to continue on your cover screen. From the taskbar, you will find recent app. So there are 2 recent app, but if you want to enable more than 2, you can do that too, because you can go into setting, and then under setting, you're gonna scroll down, go to display, and scroll down a bit. You're gonna go into the option called taskbar, and from here you have an option where you can show recent app more than 2. So when I click on this one, you can up to 3 or 4. So one up to 4, and here are the recent app that have just opened. So if you need more app, you should enable this option too. Talking about multitasking on the FullScreen, when you go into multitasking like more than 2 or 3 app, you can see that taskbar always visible. You have an option where you can disable this one. If you don't want it to be visible, just go ahead and go into setting, and under setting you need to go into advanced feature, this one, and then go into multi-window, and from here you have an option where you can enable full screen and split screen view. So what I mean by that, when you enable it and go into split screen, you can see that taskbar will be high, so there is no taskbar anymore. It has been eliminated, and if you want it to be visible, just swipe up a bit, it is going back, just like that. Sometimes I want it in full screen, it looks very nice. With the new Galaxy Z FullScreen, you have AI where it is processed on cloud and on device. If you want it only on device, you can also disable the option. Just go into setting, and then you're gonna go into Galaxy AI, this option. Just go ahead and click on it, and scroll all the way down. You're gonna find process data only on device. So if you don't want it to do it on cloud, and you want to protect your privacy, like your safety, just go ahead and make sure you disable this option. That's it. For the power button, when you hold on it, it only pop up the voice assistant. For me, I don't like this one. I want to change it. So if you want to remap the button, just go ahead and go into setting, and from here you need to go into advanced features, this one, and then click on side key or side button, and you have an option where you can like open app quickly. Let me select on open app. Now let's say if I want to open a note, I can do that too. Just swipe back. When I double click on the power button, it will open note, just like that. It is a quick way to open the app. For some reason, if you want to share power or battery from your Z FullScreen to the other device, it is very simple. Just go into your notification or control center panel, and then click on this option or this button, and then click on edit. And here where you can add the new option, so you need to find wireless sharing, this one, and click on done. Now when I pull down this panel, I have the option where I can share power or battery. Just click on this one, and then make sure you open your phone. Next one that you need to know here is in camera. So I can use the back or the cover screen to view my face whenever I use the rear camera. So all I have to do, I need to click on this option on the top right, this one, and then you can see that here is me, and I have the screen right there, my view where I can view my face, and we use the back camera. You can see I also found some app that not show in full screen for the full search, so that's why you need to enable this option too. Go into setting, go to display, and under display you're gonna find a full screen app, this one. So make sure you enable some of the app, and after that you will be able to play it or do it in full screen. For me, I always use edge panel where I can quickly access to the app, but do you know that you can do more than this, not only app? So let me show you how. Just go into setting, display, and then you're gonna go into edge panels, and under here you can see a panel. Just click on it. You can select like people, task, or weather, tool, reminder, or clipboard. So you have more than just open the app, so just select the one that you like. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. So these are the 10 things that you need to do it or change it immediately on your C4 search, and I hope I can do more video about this one, and make sure you stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.